I can't get up in the morning. I can't get up in the morning. Are you up yet? Are you up yet? I can't function without coffee. I can't function without coffee. Did you sleep in today? Did you sleep in today? Did you make breakfast this morning? Did you make breakfast this morning? He always stays up late. He always stays up late. Do you ever go for a morning run? Do you ever go for a morning run? I start work at 9 every day. I start work at 9 every day. Do you step out during lunch? Do you step out during lunch? You know, time flies. You know, time flies. I hit the gym in the evening. I hit the gym in the evening. Do you ever eat late? Do you ever eat late? Have you wrapped up your chores? Have you wrapped up your chores? Is work hectic for you this week? Is work hectic for you this week? She said, I got stuff done. She said, I got stuff done. Do you watch TV after dinner? Do you watch TV after dinner? I watched a movie last night. I watched a movie last night. Did you catch the morning news yesterday? Did you catch the morning news yesterday? Had you finished your work? Had you finished your work? Do you ever take breaks at work? Do you ever take breaks at work? Do you always have to rush? Do you always have to rush? Aren't you running late? Aren't you running late? We go for a walk in the afternoon. We go for a walk in the afternoon. He wants to take a quick break. He wants to take a quick break. Do you ever have a lazy day? Do you ever have a lazy day? Do you take your work seriously? Do you take your work seriously? Don't be glued to your phone. Don't be glued to your phone. I often forget where to stop. I often forget where to stop. Did you enjoy your day? Did you enjoy your day? Let me know if you've got plans. Let me know if you've got plans. He says, you're getting lazy. He says, you're getting lazy. Do you use your time wisely? Do you use your time wisely? Did you learn anything today? Did you learn anything today? We'll have to call off our plans. We'll have to call off our plans. Are you busy right now? Are you busy right now? Do you stay late at the office? Do you stay late at the office? Can you stick to this routine? Can you stick to this routine? I go to bed at a set time. I go to bed at a set time. Are you wasting your time? Are you wasting your time? If you're tired, take a break. If you're tired, take a break. He said, I wasted my time. He said, I wasted my time. Do you spend too much time watching TV? Do you spend too much time watching TV? Your way of working is good. Your way of working is good. Do you nap in the afternoon? Do you nap in the afternoon? Did you practice today? Did you practice today? Will you have lunch with me? Will you have lunch with me? Don't you work slowly? Don't you work slowly? You know, patience is a virtue. You know, patience is a virtue. I work fast in the morning. I work fast in the morning.